Add a reliable iced coffee maker to your arsenal of kitchen appliances and it will change not only your daily routine but also your entire mindset. You'll stop lusting after pricey takeout brews and start crafting custom ice cubes made of coffee or creamer that won't dilute your drink. At-home iced coffee can achieve true greatness. But which maker suits your palate? Take some time to consider whether you're a pod-loving, grab-and-go drinker or someone who wants to tinker with bloom times adjusted to your favorite beans. Here are the best iced coffee makers for those who take life cup by cup or vat by vat. Number 1. Breville Precision Brewer. The Breville Precision Brewer hits a sweet spot for people who want a programmable, automatic machine that still allows them to customize the flavor of their beans. The tall stainless steel brewer comes with 6 preset brewing modes, including iced coffee, cold brew, and one tuned to Specialty Coffee Association's Gold Cup standard, for those who want barista quality but don't necessarily have barista know-how, or patience. For hot coffee, the machine can brew a single cup or crank out 60 ounces in less than 7 minutes on its fast setting. The volumes for cold sippers are significantly smaller. The over-ice mode brews up to 4 cups of a more potent brew. The cold brew setting makes up to 20 ounces, a single serving for many of us, in an adjustable steeping time, 0 to 16 hours, but you can skip the carafe and put it right into your favorite mug. Some reviewers, however, have quibbles about the water tank. It isn't removable like many other models, so refilling requires using something else to fill it, and it doesn't completely empty every time. Number 2. Mr. Coffee Iced and Hot Coffee Maker. The Mr. Coffee Iced and Hot Coffee Maker is for households that take the day 1 cup at a time but want to avoid pods. This single-serve machine comes with a reusable filter to use your chosen grinds and cranks out a cup of hot or iced coffee in under 4 minutes. This budget find keeps things simple with only 2 buttons for hot brew or over ice and clear markings to meet the grind water-ice ratios needed. For iced coffee, the included 22-ounce tumbler features a water line to fill the reservoir and then an ice line, though this really means filling it all the way to the top to account for coming melt. The recommended retail price for the Mr. Coffee Iced and Hot Coffee Maker is $59.99, but it can often be found in the $30 to $40 range. Executive editor Stan Horacek has a very similar machine that comes with the same tumbler, and that aspect of the set is terrible. The top leaks, it's hard to clean, and the straw feels very cheap. Get a better tumbler with all that money you saved on the machine itself. Number 3. Keurig K Elite Single Serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Maker. Some of us value simplicity and speed, the hallmarks of the Keurig K Elite Single Serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Maker. Slide your iced-filled mug under the spout, drop in your favorite K-Cup coffee, and press the iced coffee button. About a minute later, you can grab and go or at least sip a fresh cup with little fuss. Keurig offers a machine specifically for iced coffee, but we recommend the K Elite for maximum flexibility. The K Elite provides more customization than most automatic single-serve machines, including increasing the brew temperature, an elevation setting for mountain folk, and programmable auto-on and auto-off. The massive 75-ounce water tank can also be used for 5 different beverage sizes, 4, 6, 8, 10, or 12 ounces, or hot water on demand for a cup of noodles. But the single-serve lifestyle means taking life 1 cup at a time. There's no option for a carafe or batch brewing here. And though the K Elite comes in colors like brushed silver, slate, and gold, the body is plastic with metal details. Number 4. Zojirushi ESEEK 100 XP Coffee Maker. Zojirushi may be more readily associated with its well-loved rice cookers, but the Japanese company has long made hot water dispensers, electric kettles, and thermal mugs for hot beverages. The Zojirushi Fresh Brew Plus ESEEK 100 XP Coffee Maker nabbed a spot as one of our best coffee makers for its ability to make delicious cups of hot and iced coffee. The secret? The machine lets the coffee bloom. Geeks speak for pouring a small amount of water on the ground so they can release carbon dioxide before brewing, during an optional pre-infusion cycle. So opt for it. The result is either 10 cups of hot coffee or 4 to 5 cups of a concentrated brew to serve over ice immediately, a win for households with multiple or high-volume drinkers. Iced coffee brewing isn't a secondary bell or whistle. The Fresh Brew Plus water tank features clear markings for iced coffee. The setup is reasonably easy to clean with a removable water tank, a front-loading basket with a mesh filter, and a drip prevention mechanism to stop air and coffee from making a mess when the carafe has been removed. Number 5. DeLonghi Explore Fully Automatic Coffee Machine. We've stuck to regular iced coffee for this roundup, but it's time to level up to espresso drinks like iced lattes, iced cappuccinos, iced americanos, and the other strong brews we shell out for at the local coffee shop. Making those barista-worthy concoctions at home is what the DeLonghi Explore fully automatic coffee machine was designed to do, but for those of us who need the process automated. This $1,800 machine is an investment, but it makes 40 different recipes at the touch of a button. The colorful, backlit screen features groups of drinks, cold, hot, or to go, and menus of the drinks available and 4 programmable custom profiles. Brewing takes less than a minute, but the screen walks you through every step of the way, right down to the number of ice cubes that should be in the cup.